we had to design a brand identity for a event, opted up for a makeup event, which is organized by Nika. Yeah, so I had to do first a few makeup festivals research, like how are the events being held, like the main gist of the event, the whole event details, significance and purpose of this event. We had to highlight all that in our research. We had to understand our target audience. So we had to create some user persona for that. So these are the three personas. The step one of the project, we designed our brief, vibrant and inclusive brand identity for this makeup fest, which was to emphasize on education, entertainment, and networking. Deeply, I focused mainly on celebrating self-expression because as my visual trend study and the other research I did, I came across that the celebration of self-expression was the most which came across this industry. Trend study which I did for few of the brands is Rare Beauty, Lift Tinted, for Indie Wild, and this was the virtual event by Vogue. So these were all the trend study which we had to do. Moving ahead with our visual design process, we had to create first a concept springboard. I mainly focused on having celebrating self-expression. So you, like the power of you was highlighted. You are enough and you are unique. So that is your superpower. These were the event names, the keywords we have to highlight. These were the three concepts, and one which was mainly focusing on sustainability, which was also in trend, but I had not chosen this through moving ahead because sustainability is something which is tied up with the brands essentially. It is like it has become the basis of each product to be sustainable and being eco-friendly nowadays. So later ahead, we have move ahead with the design instruction sheet. We had to figure out all the context having in the inner middle circle that the personality of the brand would be. So like the type and quality of the shapes and line, it was to resonate with the brief and the identity which I was creating. It had to be blue, bold and vibrant as it is a celebration of self-expression. To have our own voice is to be bold. So there has to be some vibrant and bold colors, some bold strokes, so that is why I had to include these. So type and color palette, I first there are two in my mind to go with some harmonious color and also to have a vibrant dynamic colors. The tone of voice, it has to be empowering and inclusive. So these are some of the dynamic verbs which I have to include in my identity. Like we have to unleash, we have to create and empower. Few of the quotes which would inspire and are empowering. Beauty isn't about perfection, it's about self-expression. And these two quotes are from the brand Rare Beauty. So I taken it from there. The quality of space and structure. So to have some gradient and soft a modernity and depth into my visual design. I had chosen some of the gradient visuals, but I also to have balance and symmetry in my design. Extensively to include textures like glitter or matte, which would resonate with the event. Yeah, so like the photography would be inclusive. It should the beauty and all the industry should have the inclusivity in them. So the photography should resonate with that. If there are the makeup, the models has to have a really like a bold and central visual should be so much focused that the attention goes towards it. And we had the option of to like to take up of if we are including type of motion. So I had in mind that to have some fade in and slight zoom in effects to my animations. So we move ahead with the idea generation. We had these keywords on our concept board. So we have to doodle on each of the word at least five doodles, and at the end we had to come up with something that is common in all, like these shapes. It eco-conscious also shows these swirls. This doodle also has that swirls. Then the authenticity, like it has to be authentic. It also had this kind of round structures, round lines. So out of that we had to choose. Like with the final concept, now we had our 5 to 6 keywords doodles. And with all that in mind, we had to sum it up in one final design concept sheet. So I went ahead with this vibrant celebration emphasizing on diversity, sustainability, and creativity. Actually, it is a combination of both of them just helped me achieve this final design concept. And these were the two names for my event which I had curated, like Embrace, and the tagline would be the power of you. as it is for celebrating oneself, or resonate the power of you. So this is my final concept springboard. It has all the doodles, all the images which could be incorporated, what would be the graphic style, color palette, typography. Then we went to idea development for the logo design. So I went ahead with the word resonate for my event name, and I started doodling for variations of the logo design. I had for something to, just ideate this resonate word itself. Then too, I wanted to include something with makeup flair. So I started doodling something with it should have a creativity and self-expression doodles too. So with an eye or a wing, something which would resonate to celebrating, empowering. It shows kind of freedom kind of thing. Like if you're expressing yourself, you feel a freedom of own thoughts and personality. So that the wings were included. There are few more doodles. After the logo, we also had to finalize the color palette, finalize the typeface. So these are just some options and variations which I went ahead with. Unleash your unique style or the power of you. And the final design iteration. This is the wing which I had created. Just after sketching by sketching the wings, I came up with the outline of the wing can also be a silhouette of the face, which both can be included in one visual. I went ahead with this and iterated it further to have a wing effect, also to have a face silhouette, which would be giving it to a beauty concept to have a face line. This was the second chosen iteration. So I went ahead with the first one. Also, with my help of the mentor, she suggested I should go ahead with this. I had this is also included in this second iteration too. But yeah, I also was resonating with this first one. So I went ahead iterating it with and applying some design principles. I achieved this shape, applying the colors. I was trying to come up with a shape of a petal, like after the outline here. And this rose also is a symbol of beauty, individuality. But moving ahead, I realized from this step, the shape, like the main shape of the wings and the face was kind of getting lost because of the whole petal formation. So yeah, at the later stage, I had removed that. These are some of the patterns we have to curate, and few of the icons that goes with our brand identity. Something which also symbolizes individuality, beauty. So as I told you that this shape was kind of getting lost, so I went ahead and finalized this shape. It has been achieved through figure and ground principle. It gives us wings which symbolizes individuality, this face which symbolizes beauty, and the heart shape which is being achieved by these strokes. Color palette which I went ahead with, having this purple color in the logo as my main primary color. These are the other secondary logo which we had to create. Finalize wing with the colors. I've created the patterns again, and this was my final typography. Like the typography I used in my logo, the resonate word itself is Mirage, and for display font it is Weber's name. Then we had to create a brand guidelines book. These are the contents. We had to show the brand overview, what is our mission, the vision, core values, positioning, tone of voice. It has all the details toward how to use the logo, using on the different collaterals, the size, logo usage of what not to use, how to use it with the partner logo, which is very important because this event is gonna have many brands with it. The color usage, the primary and the secondary, and final mock-ups having some collaterals, the event ticket or a notebook as a souvenir, and a bag for makeup apparel. And this was the final presentation, introducing the project, the target audience, highlighting the values and missions. Giving up just the gist of the visual trend study, we had to just show what was our conclusion and what was our take towards the end of the visual trend study. Went at explaining the design process, the ideation, messy ideations, refining and how I achieved the finalized logo. Later, I also created some more mock-ups and collaterals, like a t-shirt or a cup. I also having this tagline, print media, and one of the digital application, which is our website. So,